They are small and they're sour. Our small lemon kisses greet you to day 5 of our advent calendar. I love the soft, creamy center, which is actually lemon curd that we made on day 3. Here we go. You'll need 250 gram flour, 50 gram sugar, zest from 1 lemon, a bit of vanilla sugar or extract, 100 gram butter at room temperature, and finally our homemade lemon curd. Of course, you can use any store-bought ones as well. You have to knead this until you get a smooth dough. It will be kind of hardish, so just take your time to incorporate the lemon curd and the butter. When you're done, form it into a long piece and toss it into the fridge for a few hours. I let mine rest overnight because, well, I work full-time and you gotta make that time work for you. When the dough was cooled down sufficiently, take a bit of the dough and form balls the size of walnuts. Then push your finger in to make a small indentation. Not too deep though, you will still need to have a bottom after all. Try to make them approximately the same size. I got with this amount about 28 lemon kisses out. Then my favorite part, the filling. Put about 2 tablespoons of the lemon curd into a small piping bag or plastic bag and pipe the cookies full of it. You can fill it up quite well, just be careful not to let it overflow. I once tried to do this with a spoon and it was a total mess. Bake these yummies for about 10 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Let them cool off on a cooling rack so they won't get soggy on the bottom. This was day 5, ladies and gentlemen. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. See you tomorrow for day 6 of Tasty Escapes video advent calendar.